Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of armored cuties that live underwater. Aquatic turtles. Are they cute? Yes. Slow? Kinda. But they're way more interesting than you think. So get ready, because we're about to explore the weird, wonderful life of turtles. We'll laugh, we'll learn, and yes, we might say aw a few times. Our journey begins with a fundamental distinction: the difference between aquatic turtles and their land-dwelling relatives, the tortoises. You see, not all turtles are built for a life at sea, or indeed a life spent leisurely munching on dandelions in a suburban garden. Aquatic turtles, as their name suggests, are masters of the water. Their streamlined shells, often flatter than those of their terrestrial cousins, are perfectly adapted for gliding through the water with surprising agility. They are found in a remarkable variety of aquatic habitats, from freshwater ponds and lakes, to the brackish waters of estuaries, and even the vast expanse of the open ocean. Tortoises, on the other hand, are creatures of the land. Their shells tend to be more dome-shaped, providing protection from predators and the elements. They are often slow-moving and deliberate, their lives a patient rhythm of grazing and basking in the sun. While they may share a common ancestor, aquatic turtles and tortoises have followed very different evolutionary paths, their bodies and behaviors shaped by the demands of their respective environments. The shell, that iconic feature that defines a turtle's appearance, is more than just a protective covering. It's a marvel of biological engineering, a testament to the power of natural selection. Contrary to what some cartoons might have you believe, a turtle cannot simply hop out of its shell and swap it for a new one. The shell is an integral part of the turtle's skeleton, fused to its spine and ribs. It's made of bone, covered in a layer of tough, keratinous scutes, the same material that makes up our fingernails and hair. This remarkable structure provides incredible protection from predators, allowing the turtle to withstand forces that would crush other animals. But the shell isn't just about defense. It also plays a crucial role in thermoregulation, helping the turtle to absorb heat from the sun, or to cool down in the water. And for some species, the shape and coloration of the shell can even play a role in camouflage, helping them to blend in with their surroundings. So, the next time you see a turtle, take a moment to appreciate the complexity and sophistication of its shell, a true marvel of the natural world. Now let's delve into one of the more peculiar aspects of turtle biology: their remarkable ability to breathe through their, well, let's just say their posterior. Yes, you heard that correctly. Some species of aquatic turtles have evolved a truly extraordinary adaptation known as cloacal respiration. Now, before you wrinkle your nose in disgust, let me explain. The cloaca is a common opening found in many reptiles, amphibians, and birds, used for excretion and reproduction. But in some turtles, the cloaca has taken on an additional, rather remarkable function. It has become a supplementary respiratory organ. These turtles possess specialized sacs lined with blood vessels in their cloaca. When submerged, they can draw water into these sacs and extract oxygen directly from it. This remarkable adaptation allows them to remain submerged for extended periods, avoiding predators or simply waiting for a tasty meal to swim by. This ingenious solution to the challenges of underwater living is a testament to the boundless creativity of evolution. In the animal kingdom, where lifespans can be fleeting and the struggle for survival constant, turtles stand apart as true masters of longevity. These ancient reptiles have graced our planet for over 200 million years, witnessing the rise and fall of dinosaurs and the evolution of countless other species. While many animals are fortunate to live for a few short years, turtles seem to take a more leisurely approach to life. Pet turtles, with proper care, can live for several decades, becoming cherished companions to multiple generations. But it's in the wild where turtle longevity truly astounds. Some species, such as the iconic Galapagos tortoise, can live for well over a century, their lives stretching across centuries of human history. What is the secret to their remarkable longevity? Scientists believe that a combination of factors may be at play, including a slow metabolic rate, a diet rich in antioxidants, and an inherent resistance to many age-related diseases. Don't let their slow and steady demeanor fool you. Aquatic turtles are far from passive grazers content with a monotonous diet of lettuce. In fact, many species are opportunistic omnivores, their palates as diverse as the underwater worlds they inhabit. From the tiniest of snacks to surprisingly substantial meals, these shelled epicureans have evolved to make the most of the culinary delights their environment provides. Algae, that ubiquitous green carpet covering rocks and logs, forms the staple diet for many. But their tastes extend far beyond simple greens. Insects, worms, and crustaceans become tasty morsels, their movements triggering a lightning-fast strike from a turtle's beak. Some larger species even hunt fish, their powerful jaws capable of crushing through bones and shells. This dietary flexibility is one of the keys to their success, allowing them to thrive in a wide range of habitats and to weather periods of scarcity. You might imagine that a life spent primarily in water would negate the need for basking in the sun, but even for these aquatic creatures, the sun's warm rays are essential for their health and well-being. Like all reptiles, turtles rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. But their need for sunlight goes beyond simply staying warm. The sun's ultraviolet rays are crucial for the production of vitamin D, a vital nutrient that plays a critical role in calcium absorption. And calcium, as you might know, is essential for strong bones and, of course, for maintaining the integrity of a turtle's most defining feature, its shell. So, those lazy afternoons spent basking on rocks and logs aren't just about relaxation, they're essential for a turtle's long-term health and survival. They may not greet us with wagging tails or purrs of contentment, but beneath those stoic exteriors, turtles are capable of forming bonds, albeit in their own subtle way. While their emotional range might not rival that of a devoted dog or a cuddly cat, turtles can learn to recognize their human caretakers, associating them with food, safety, and perhaps even a degree of companionship. Over time, some turtles will even swim towards their owners, their heads poking out of the water in anticipation of a treat, or a gentle scratch under the chin. They might not be the cuddliest of companions, but their quiet presence and ancient wisdom can be strangely soothing in our often hectic world. While their slow movements and placid demeanor might suggest otherwise, it's important to remember that turtles are wild animals, equipped with the instincts and physical adaptations necessary to survive in their respective environments. And for some species, those adaptations include a surprisingly powerful bite. The alligator snapping turtle, a denizen of murky rivers and swamps, is a prime example. Its beak-like jaws can snap shut with incredible force, capable of inflicting serious injury. These turtles are ambush predators, lying in wait on the riverbed, their mouths agape, a worm-like appendage on their tongue wriggling enticingly to lure in unsuspecting prey. When a fish ventures too close, the jaws snap shut with lightning speed, a stark reminder that even in the animal kingdom, appearances can be deceiving. In the realm of reproduction, turtles have evolved a strategy that is both fascinating and, to us mammals, rather perplexing. Unlike humans and other mammals, whose sex is determined by chromosomes at the moment of conception, the sex of many turtle species is determined by the temperature at which their eggs incubate. Imagine that. The very weather patterns, the subtle variations in the warmth of the sand, can tip the scales, determining whether a hatchling emerges from its shell as male or female. Warmer temperatures tend to favor the development of females, while cooler temperatures result in a higher proportion of males. This phenomenon, known as temperature-dependent sex determination, highlights the intricate connection between turtles and their environment, a delicate dance between genetics and the forces of nature. As we've journeyed into the world of aquatic turtles, marveling at their resilience and remarkable adaptations, it's impossible to ignore the growing threats they face in a rapidly changing world. Human activities, from habitat destruction and pollution to the illegal pet trade, are taking a devastating toll on turtle populations worldwide. Many species are now classified as endangered, their very survival hanging in the balance. Plastic pollution, that scourge of our oceans and waterways, poses a particularly grave threat. Turtles often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, a tragic case of mistaken identity that can be fatal. But there is hope. By raising awareness, supporting conservation efforts, and making conscious choices to reduce our impact on the planet, we can help to ensure that these ancient mariners continue to grace our waters for generations to come. Aquatic turtles aren't just cute. They're tough, mysterious, and full of surprises. From their butt-breathing abilities to their temperature-determined genders, they've shown us that nature is full of extraordinary adaptations. The more we learn about them, the more we realize how amazing and fragile nature really is. So next time you see a turtle, remember, there's a whole world under that shell. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which turtle fact blew your mind the most. Until next time, we're pulling into our shells and signing off. Bye for now.